Okay, here we go. Turbo Cthulhu. We shaded some DMs, and I was trying to help you figure out how to make these little wheels here, and everything I told you in DM was wrong. I get Inkscape and Illustrator and Lightburn mixed up in my head. Here's how you do it in Lightburn. All right, we'll start out with a circle. I'm going to hold Shift while I draw it so it stays a perfect circle. I'm going to now hit Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to hold Control while I scale it down to about there. Okay, there's our circle in a circle. To achieve these little gear teeth, cogs, whatever they are, we're going to make a box. Hold Shift so it stays a true square, not rectangular, although really it can be rectangular. But I'm going to use a square. I'm going to drop that there. It's a little too big. That's about right. Select that. Select the larger circle and align it to the horizontal center. I'm going to bring this over so that that tooth is sticking out however far you want it sticking out. We're just going to leave that there for right now. Now we're going to add our numbers. Let's get a legible font. And I'm not typing a number, I'm typing a D, lowercase d. You're going to want a lowercase d, and now you're going to, up here where you select your font and its size, you'll notice normal. Click this, and you're going to change it to serial number. You won't see anything happen just yet, but when this is on serial number mode, D indicates a digit. If variable text, if this window isn't already visible, go to your window, all the way at the bottom, variable text, turn that on. See, when I press this and hold, press and hold, I see it turns into a 2. So now I know I have a, that's what I'm going to get. I'm going to take this, select this, center it in that box. Now I'm going to get the box and the digit, and it's very important you select the circle last. So now we have all three of those. Go to this, which is a circular array. Okay. We're going to set it to 10 copies because you're going for 0 through 9. 0 degrees through 360, meaning that it makes a full circle. If you wanted to maybe have numbers only go halfway around, you would set n to 180, and the numbers would only go halfway around, like so. All right, this one's important. This, use last selected object position as center. This is why you selected the circle in the middle last. So it rotates everything around that like an axle. This right here, this is also important to what you're trying to achieve. This means that they will not be like a clock like this. They will go around the face. I think that's the important thing that you're trying to accomplish. And we're going to want auto increment turned on and set to 1. All right, there we go. Now we have boxes and D's all the way around. I'm going to press and hold test one more time, and I can see now I've got a 0 through 9. That's just what we wanted. So now we'll hit bake. That will make this changes actually take effect. So now to get the teeth and the wheel all to be one thing, we're going to select all of these boxes. If you are new to Lightburn and did not already know, when you drag a box to select, you'll notice I'm dragging and it's green. It's because I'm dragging from my right to my left. Doesn't matter if I go up or down. That will select anything it touches, like this. If you drag from the left to the right, whether down or up, notice it's red. That will only select items you encompass. So if I do something like this, I will not select that. Only if I go all the way around it. And that can be very useful when you're trying to select or deselect certain objects, or select things quickly, like I did with these boxes. It's a lot easier to just do this, and I can get oftentimes more than one of them at once, instead of having to go around and click on each one individually. So we get all the boxes, the outer circle, and we weld it. That welds it together, and there you go. You've got your numbers around a dial. If you need to make some changes to those letters, you can still edit them. They are changeable. The font size, the font itself, to make little tweaks if you need to get those exactly the way you want them. But there you go. I think that's what you're trying to accomplish. Best of luck.